Let's be real. 2025 is the year of opportunity. You don't need a fancy degree, a big following, or a pile of cash to start. All you need is internet access and a bit of consistency. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 real ways to go from $0 to $1,000 per month online. Strategies that real people are using right now. And if you're serious about building an online income this year, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because on Make Money Monster, we turn small ideas into big paydays. First up, affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest and most powerful ways to make money online. You don't have to create your own product. You simply promote someone else's and earn a commission for every sale. Here's how it works. Join an affiliate program like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact Radius. Find a product that solves a problem, like a fitness program, an online course, or a gadget. Share your link through YouTube videos, TikTok, or a simple blog. Example: let's say you post a video about the best AI tools for freelancers. Drop your affiliate links below it. Every click can turn into income. Even with small traffic, this can grow fast. Many creators earn $1,000 a month from just 1 or 2 good videos that keep getting views. Next up, print on demand, or POD. This one's perfect if you love creativity but don't want to handle inventory. You design t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies. Then a company like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful prints and ships them when customers buy. You earn a profit per sale, completely passive once your designs are uploaded. Pro tip: create designs around trending topics, like fitness quotes, funny AI jokes, or motivational sayings. Use free tools like Canva or Kittl to make awesome graphics. A few viral designs can easily bring in a few $100s a month. Third, freelancing. If you have any skill, writing, video editing, graphic design, or even using ChatGPT, you can make money from day one. Go to Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancer.com. Create a gig offering your service. Example: offer AI blog post writing or video script creation for YouTube. You can even use AI tools like ChatGPT or invideo.ai to deliver faster results. Most new freelancers start small, $10 to $20 per job, but once you get reviews, you can charge $100+ per project. That's how you hit your first $1,000 month quickly. Number 4, YouTube automation. You don't even have to show your face. Here's the system. Pick a niche like motivation, AI tools, or tech tips. Write or use AI to generate scripts. Use invideo.ai to create full videos automatically. Upload 2 to 3 times a week. Once your channel is monetized, you earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Some faceless channels are making thousands per month just from simple voiceovers and stock clips. Start small. Consistency is key. Remember, YouTube is the ultimate long-term passive income machine. And finally, digital products. This is where you create something once, like an ebook, Notion template, or mini course, and sell it forever. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, and Etsy Digital make this easy. Example: if you're good at budgeting, make a digital planner. If you know fitness, create a 7-day challenge guide. Each sale could be $10, $50, and it scales infinitely. Combine this with YouTube or social media promotion, and your $1,000 month could turn into $5,000 or more. There you go! 5 real ways to make your first $1,000 online in 2025. You don't need luck. Just focus on one method, stick with it for 90 days, and watch your income grow. Remember, monsters aren't born. They're built. If this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment Monster Money below, so I know you're serious about your online income journey. Don't forget the description area of this video for any free help we may offer. Thanks for watching, and as always, may the Lord always bless you.